Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. A while back, I made a video about this puzzle generator that actually does it in like octagons. And somebody asked, I put it into a circle in that video. He said, could you put it into a rectangle? And I will put a link to this puzzle generator, which is incredible, in the bottom of this video. So I just saved it as an SVG and brought it into Corel. So there it is. Now, I'm going to make it a square, and that's really, really easy. And you gotta kind of think about some things, like you wouldn't want that little half piece there. So let's jump off this and change our nudge factor like a 1/4 of an inch. And let's watch these little tidbits. When we move this down, that looks a lot better. And we're going to show some other things we can do here. Now, my nudge factor, I'm going to set like on 10 inches. And I'm going to select this all. And I'm going to intersect it. And then I'm going to nudge that over. Then I'm going to take my square and nudge it over. So there's my new puzzle. And I could have done a rectangle. And most of these pieces would work, but you wouldn't want that little piece. So you could take the virtual segment delete key and delete those little pieces. Surprisingly, there's only a couple. And everything else looks pretty good. Now, I don't know, I can't remember when I did that video if this is all going to cut out. So you need to change it to a hairline. And then that will cut out and make you a puzzle. And that's pretty cool. That's going to be a little bit difficult because the top and the bottom are going to be a little bit different. Like that's probably too close to the edge. But you could, it's your puzzle. You could probably take the shape tool. We'd have to ungroup it. So select that, go to arrange, group, and ungroup it. And you could take the shape tool and just move that part because it's moving both parts of the puzzle. And just kind of go around it. And this piece is not going to fit up here. So it's going to make it a little bit more difficult for the people, which is kind of comical. Move that like right there. Get them off the edge. You might not want that piece so close to the edge there. So just grab all three of those nodes and just bring it down. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. And thank you for watching. And I'll put a link to the puzzle generator at the bottom of the video.